Popped out for a quick morning's fishing. Come down to Meon. Could be a hot one. Bit overcast at the moment. We've only got a 2 fish ticket. Kev's come down. We'll have a look. No one down on the beat yet. That's a catch and release down there. Lovely so far, nice and cool. I'm going to start off with the red apps. Yeah, see where we go. Hopefully get some fish on. I think Kevin's starting on a what's it fly. Yeah, peaceful look, love this. Let's get some fish in the net. So the Meon story so far. We've seen about 3 or 4 fish caught. Very hard work. No idea what they want. We're on the top lake now. Bottom lake is full. Loads of people down there. Tried every fly in the fly box. And yeah. What do we do? What do we do? Big heavy flies down deep. Dry flies. Tried it all. I think one of the fish we saw caught was a blue flash damsel. Another was on a pink blob. So no idea really. We're just giving this top end a go now. But yeah, it's 1 o'clock and no fish. Ooh, that was a follow. So plenty of follows, plenty of fish. Plenty of follows, look, come on. Come on. Yeah, plenty of follows. Unfortunately, no takes. On a heavy blue fly at the moment. He just mouthed it. Just mouthing it. We'll keep on going. Kevin's not had any luck down there. We'll keep trying. We've got a fish on. Only been here since 8. Hard work today. Lovely looking fish. But my net is halfway down the other side. Ooh, what is he? He's a brown. Oh, he's a lovely brown as well. Look at that. No net. What a silly boy. That was on a blue flashy stalking bug and he shot out and had that one. Let's see if I can get round this tree or not. Browns go back here, so we want to try and look after him and try and get him back. But I'm going to have to try and keep him on. Let's try and get him. Let's fish him along here. Come on. That's the first brown I've had at a meal. Don't know whether you can see him. Looks lovely. Come on. Yeah, Wally went for a walk. Didn't take my net. Lovely looking fish. All the time he keeps swimming like this, we might be able to get him in the net and get him back in one piece. Come on. Come on. So blue flashy stalking bug, quite a few follows. But yeah, first fish on. Come on. Yeah, so my first brown out of Meon. So very nice. Saw a couple earlier. Come on, where's my net? It's only down here. What a wally. But he's shot out of the weed beds for that one. Plenty of little rainbows about. But he was hungry. So the water's lovely and clear. So it's not that cold. I mean, there's a lot of fresh water coming in. Just hard work. Alright. See if we can. And he's in the net. We'll try and get him out and unhooked as quick as possible. There we go. Look at that. Look at the colours on that. Beautiful brown. And he's out. Look at that. Lovely fish. Beautiful brown. Hopefully he's fit enough he can go back. And he's gone. Lovely. Lovely fish. A blue sparkly stalking bug. So yeah, first fish all day. 1:15. Who knows, there might be more. Let's keep going. Off. Getting a few chases, a few follows, but extremely hard work. I think the fish up this end haven't seen so many flies maybe, so they're a bit more interested. But yeah, one brown, which was nice. Otherwise, fish on and off. We'll keep on going. Quick fly change for cat's whisker. A very gentle take, just nip in the tail, nip in the tail, nip in the tail. And then he went for it. Blimey, first keepable fish, almost 2 o'clock. I don't think we're going to be here too much longer. It's a warm one, it's a hot one. That brown, look, see that brown following it? Oh, let's see if we can get this one in. Nice to take a fish home. So many damsels about. I don't know whether you can see, there's literally tons of blue damsels there. And that brown was caught on a blue flashy damsel. So yeah. But stripping back quite quick. That was on the brown was my blue flash stalking bug, stripping back quick. Swapped to my cat's whisker again. I mean, I've been through the fly box today, but cat's whisker again, stripping back quite quick. Lively fish, come on. Come on. But he was just nipping the tail, nipping the tail. And then he went for it. Yeah, my new fish. Yeah, there's a couple of little browns in here, see him hungry. What we could do with getting our bag, really. And he's in the net. Not a bad fish, mate, not a bad fish. Look at that, first proper keeper of the day, mate. And that was on my cat's whisker. Lovely fish, really, nice fish. Lovely looking fish. And that was on my cat's whisker. So he pulled nice and slow, because it's only shallow up here. But Sort of jerks, quick, nice and slow, and then good sort of pulls. Lovely jubbly, let's try and get another one. He's a biggie. Oh sure, no, he's a brown, mate, is he? What colour is he? I don't know what it is. Look at the colours. He's a nice one though. Oh, he's just a lovely golden colour, isn't he? Look at him. That was just dangling it on his nose, mate. Look. Yep, that's that big one at the bottom. Just dangled it on his nose, and he thought, I'll have a little bit of that. He's in the net. He's a biggie, mate. He's huge. Well, he is very big. But look at the colour. I mean, he's not brown. He's not got his brown spots on or anything. Lovely looking fish. And that's on the white cat's whisker. Very nice. That's my 2 fish. Was it 2:30? Been here since about 8. Yeah, hard work. Nice and fast. Yeah. I've had 4 now, big pulls, big pulls. Right. Get it down there, but they've all been... Let it drop and then... Let it drop, but well, it's quite shallow here. Yeah. But yeah. I can't see quite clearly through there with the shade now. It's but they've been big pulls. Let me find a net somewhere. That's black leech. But big strips. Can I squeeze? That's why I haven't got a net. My net's down there. I didn't expect to catch a fish. No, likewise. So I've had, that's my number 4. So over there I've had 2 browns. Oh, brilliant. No, but they've been what I call, you know, stripping it fast. So heavy flies. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Hey. You can have a fly. Let's get him there. Hold on, let's knock him on the head. Yeah, no, he's in a black heavy fly, but get him out. I love doing that bit. Thank you. Yeah, no, cheers. Cheers for that.
Yeah, he's not allowed to do it. He disintegrated one all over him the last time.
That's I mean, it's a heavy fly. It's a leech, what they call a black leech. But letting it sink, and it is quite heavy, that one.
Okay.
Letting it, but big pulls, pulls. Okay. Giving the fish something to chase. And I've had 4 now. It's taken me all day. I've been here since 8. Yeah. Okay. But that's my last one. So I've had a couple of nice browns up there. Yeah. Which obviously had to go back, and then I've had 2 keepers. Yeah. You have any more of them? You can have that one. I'll finish now. Yeah, I'll finish now. I'll buy it off you. No, you can have it, mate. Always get plenty of these in there.
I ain't got a clue what I'm looking at and getting. A bit of fucking help and it'll catch me one.
This is a very good all-round fly. People talk about blue flash damsels. Yeah. And these, and you got to admit, in the water they're going to look. Well, yeah, in the water they're going to look pretty much the same. You know, blue flash damsel and. But
big strip.
It's heavy, so let it sink a little bit, and then big strips. Big strips.
I'll have my clips back.
Yes, I know.
Cheers. Big strip. What? Big strip.
Well, I'm doing big strips like that. I'm just holding it there. Big long strip, big long strip, big long strip. So it's going through the water quite quick. So the fish are going, you know, and then yeah. I think we've been fishing too slow all morning. We've caught nothing all morning. Okay. And we've just been messing around, you know, going slow and jiggling. And it's only when I've been doing, say, big strips for the last hour, I've literally had 4 fish.
In the last hour?
Yep. Well, thank you all up that end.
All up there?
A couple under that tree there, and a couple here. And there's quite a few swimming about.